The F-450 Platinum Plus, the 2025. 5 things I love about this truck and 5 things I hate. Let's get into them, right? Starting out with what I love about this truck. Number 1 is the high output motor. This truck with this little red 6.7 logo right there is the high output motor. This engine puts out 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-foot of torque. It is an absolute monster, and it is the most impressive diesel engine on the market currently. There's not an engine out there that beats it. Ford is the only one to have this much horsepower and torque coming out of an engine, right? So super impressive, love that. And on a Platinum Plus, that engine comes standard. Towing is up to 40,000 pounds with that engine. That is insane. You can tow a lot of freaking weights. Number 2, what I love about this truck, this is a Ford thing in general. The power running boards, the drop on this is very nice, right? So a General Motors truck, the power boards don't drop down as low. These heavy duty trucks are high. So if you're getting in and out of them, it's nice to be able, to have them that they're functional. They actually drop down low enough so you can get up on it and jump inside the truck and you're not just banging your shins against them. The thing I like too is the actual thickness of this board is pretty thin, and when they tuck up in, you can hardly tell the truck has running boards. These are my favorite boards in the market, and these things are super delayed. But again, they tuck up in there, you can't even see the board. You see like a chrome strip and that's it. So number 3, what I love about this truck is the turning radius, because it has a wider front axle. The turning radius on this truck is 50.5 feet. An F-350, the turning radius is 58 feet. Over 7 foot better turning radius in a 450 than it is in an F-350. Super impressive, and that reason alone is why guys love getting this truck to pull their camper, right, to get into tight spots. Number 4, what I love about this truck is that in 2025, Ford went to a Platinum Plus trim option instead of the limited trim option. And the limited trim option in 2024 and older, the interior was blue, I should say. It was ugly, right? I think they wanted to go with some Italian blue leather type thing. It was not a great look compared to this Platinum Plus. This Platinum Plus has a premium Venetian leather, they call it, right? It's an amazing interior, solid option, solid color combo, and it appeals to way more people. So smart move Ford for that. Love this interior. Number 5, what I love about these F-450s, and specifically the Platinum Plus, is the Max Recline seats. For dramatic effect, I'll just lay this thing down, take a nap. These seats lay completely flat. It actually lifts up this back part, so when you're laying down, it's like a bed, right? So whether you're laying on your side, it's freaking awesome. Like, who does that? What other manufacturer makes the driver and passenger seat into beds? For the people that use that, they're using an F-450 to tow, to haul, right? They're on over-the-road trips and they're sleeping in their truck. Just smart thinking on Ford's part. Incredible option there. That's the 5 things I love about this truck. Let's get into the 5 things I hate about this F-450 Platinum Plus. First thing I hate, guys, is the price tag. This truck is over $100,000. It's the going price, I guess, for a heavy-duty truck. $107,000 for a pickup truck is absurd. It's insanity. Number 2, what I do not like about F-450s in general is their availability. Only 2 to 4% of Ford's production is F-450s, which means you're gonna have, 6 month, probably at a minimum, to a year long or over a year wait. The production is super limited on these F-450s. There's not a ton of them on the market, and you're not gonna be able to get these trucks at a bargain. Number 3, getting people financed on an F-450 is a pain in the butt. So the banks and the insurance companies usually consider F-450s as commercial vehicles, and so your finance rates are going to be higher. So even if you buy this truck to pull your 40-foot RV, it's all recreational, you still may have to pay higher interest rates and higher insurance rates. In some states, you're going to have your CDL. If you're going to tow anything heavy, you're going to have a CDL license, which is insane, right? Some of the technicalities into owning these trucks and driving them, that's the 3rd thing I don't like about them, right? Number 4, the one thing that's an inconvenience is the DEF usage. So the diesel exhaust fluid usage in these trucks with a high output motor is a lot greater then the standard motor in a Ford, they drink DEF fluid, right? You will have to always keep a spare jug of DEF fluid in the truck with you because especially when towing, they use a lot of diesel exhaust fluid. Sometimes too, your diesel exhaust fluid gauge in the truck is not accurate. It'll pop up on the screen, say, hey, DEF fluid low, and you still have 600 miles to empty on the DEF tank. And FYI there, that is kind of a pain in the butt, especially on a long trip, right? When you're driving a bunch, something to keep in mind, right? Number 5, guys, what I hate about these trucks is the factory tire because it doesn't hook up in weather. So in rain and in snow, they suck. It's a commercial tire is what it is. It actually looks like something you'd see on a tractor trailer. They'll last for forever. You're camping or you're using this truck recreationally, you're gonna wanna get something like a Michelin tire. I think Goodyear makes a tire for them. I think it's Goodyear. You'll correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sure. I wish they would do better, you know what I mean, from factory, on especially a 450, because it is a freaking expensive truck. Do better with that tire. So anyhow, guys, 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about the F-450 Platinum Plus. Be sure to hit subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.